All right, PreCalculus, here we are moving on to example number 2. We're trying to find domain and range of graphs. So for this first problem here, it says use the graph of f to define the domain and range of the function. Well, what kind of function do we have happening here? Hopefully you're saying, well, looks like a polynomial of some sort, right? Has like quadratic-y looking pieces to it, but it's actually a polynomial. It kind of reeks to me of a type of a cubic, but since it's truncated here, I don't really know. But what I'm worried about right now is just the domain. So it looks like I'm going from -8 to infinity. That's my first gut reaction. I know we're covering that, but then I gotta get more precise because it's really fuzzy here, but what's happening here? Hopefully you can tell that's an open circle. So I know I'm going from -8, including -8, because that's a closed circle, to -4, and then I have this guy happening. So at -4, I've got a hole. So I'm going to truncate it there. And then my second piece of this graph is from -4. I don't see any more holes. So from -4 to infinity. Again, I'm not going to include that -4. So from -4 to infinity. That's, the domain of the graph. What's the range of this graph? Well, I see that I'm coming down here, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8. This looks like it's coming down here to -10. So we are starting at -10. And we're coming up here. I've got a hole here, but look, as I keep going, 10 is covered in my range here. So 10 is covered. So it's really from -infinity to positive. -10 to positive infinity. So that is the range of this graph. And we have 2 you tries it. This was such a review topic. I'm just going to go ahead and let you pause your video here. Find the domain and range for both A and B. When you're ready, come back and check to see if you got it right. All right, hopefully you actually did pause that video. Here we go for A, our domain. We're looking for x values. So our x values, looks like we're going by 2's again. We're going from -2. I don't see any holes here. So from -2 to 4, 6, right? -2 is solid, so we're going to include it. 6 is open, so we're not going to include it. What about our range? Our range, we're going from 0 up to 4. Since 0 is included on this side, we're including it everywhere. All right, what if I wanted to write this in set notation? So this would be the set of all x's, such that x is greater than or equal to 2, less than 6, and x is a real number. For my range, be careful, we're the set of all y's, because now we're talking about y. Y is between 0 and 4, and we're including it on both sides. All right, what did you get for B? So for B, for my domain, I see between -4 and, 2. But I have open circles on both ends, and it doesn't get picked up in either of these intervals. And then from 2 to infinity. For my range, I'm going to go ahead and switch it up here and do some set notation for you. Just so you're getting a good example of both of them. So for my range, I'm going from -infinity up to -2. So my set of all y's, such that y is less than, but not including -2. Or, what is this? Y is equal to, 6. And y is an element of all real numbers. Set of all y such that y is less than -2, or y is equal to 6, and y is an element of all real numbers. It's a good one to do a little bit of set notation for practice on. All right, next video is going to be finding y-intercepts.